Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about how to create and customize a website on Ecwid for craft and hobby kits business easy and quick. So as we know, Ecwid is a tool that helps people make online stores. It's like a special computer program that lets you sell things on the internet. It's easy to use and can be added to websites or social media pages. So if you wanna sell things online, Ecwid can help you do it without too much trouble. So the first thing here you have to do, you have to sign up for free so you can get started free. So let's get started. Okay, now it will take you to the dashboard. So wait a few seconds. Okay. So as you see here, this is the dashboard, and here we're gonna design or set up your websites and storefront. So here, set up your websites and storefront. So click here, it will take you to the editor page. Now go to the settings. Okay, now go to the templates and select the templates which you wanna use here, the topic. So for the party, for the craft and hobby kits, I think I don't know if I'm gonna find it here. Okay, so I'm gonna choose this one here. So if the topic isn't here, just choose a simple random one and design it on your homepage like this one here. So go to the header in the menu. So here you have to change everything in this section here. Start with the company name and the navigation menu, so you can add the menu item. You can also change this. You can delete this if it not if it doesn't match with your business. So that's it. And the design of any section on your homepage, so you have to try your best to make your site look attractive so anyone can visit your sites and attract your business. So make sure, don't forget the simple details like the color and like the size and like the font. Also you can add the frame outline to make it more attractive, and don't forget the style like this one. Okay, now let's go back, let's move on as the cover and the headline. Of course here you have to change the tagline. You can add here your title, the title. Okay, and the description, for example, you can introduce your brand to your customers. Welcome to our site for craft and hobby kits. Just as simple like this. After this you can change the image, so go to the browser and select search on craft and hobby kits. Okay, so I need just a simple image. I don't know if if I'm gonna find it here. I'm gonna choose this one. Okay, go back, and now you can change it here. Okay, after this go to the design here and choose your favorite layout. Okay, just like this. After this you can change the font and the color. Okay, the description, the same thing in the description. So that's it. Now let's move on to the next section, the store section. So here you have to create your products. So go back to the dashboard and click here at your products or services. um, Now click here new product. Okay, now here you have to add the product gallery. So take a picture of your product and add it here, the name of your product, the ref, the weight on kilogram. Also here you have to add the prices options, so you can customize here the prices options, and don't forget the description of your product. So that's it. After done from this, save this place here and go back to the editor and complete here the design of your background and the title and the product name and the product image and the product price. So let's move on now to the next section, about section. So as you see here, you have to talk a little bit about your services, about your quality of your business, and why should your customers buy from you or use your services. Okay, and the design, nothing special here. Choose your favorite one. The background, you can change the color, of course. So that's it. Now let's go back. Now let's move on to the image. So of course, after add the tagline and the title and the description, you have to change the image, of course. So choose a random image, like like uh, okay, I don't know, I'm gonna choose this one. um Now let's move on to the design. So nothing special here, the same thing as normal. So choose your favorite layout, the same thing with the background. Okay, and the same thing with the color and the image. Okay, so that's it. Now let's go back and now let's move on to the customer reviews. You can use this title here. Okay, here if you want to add the review text, click here, add your review text and the author name, and also you can add the rating. Now let's go back, let's move on to the design. So choose your favorite design and let's go back. Now let's move on to the delivery information. Nothing special also here, the same thing as normal. So change this description and change the subtitle, the title, and also the layout. Choose your favorite one. Now let's go back and let's move on now to the contacts. So here you have to change the image, of course. So also here you have to add your business address. You have to enter the daily hours. Okay, the daily hours. After this, enter the contact information and the social profiles, and the design. I rather to choose this one here of the map in the background. Okay, like this one. So that's it. The last section here, the footer section. So you have just to enter your company name for the copyright, and that's it. So after this, if you want to add something new, you can just click here add section. You can select what kind of sections you want to add on your homepage. Okay, after this, after you're done from designing your website and customizing your website, you can just publish it, and now you can start selling and start your business. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.